Christmas is fast approaching, but do you know what you can do to improve your home security? Hi, I'm Holly from Region Security Guardian's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be providing you with our top 12 Christmas home security tips. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Install security cameras. Our first tip on our list is of course to install CCTV cameras on your property. As we've mentioned many times before, security cameras are an excellent deterrent in scaring away burglars. Security cameras can deter burglars as they will survey blind spots on your property and they will give your home a strong security presence. Tip 2. Install security alarms. Our second tip is to install security alarms at the entrances of your property. Intruder alarms can stop burglars as burglars will be put off by the loud noises that alarms make, and burglars will often avoid any houses that have noticeable security alarms. Tip 3. Double lock all windows and doors. Our third tip is to always double lock all your windows and doors. Burglars often break into houses through unlocked windows and unlocked doors, so it's important that before you go out or before you go to sleep that you make sure all your doors and windows are locked securely or double locked. Double locking your property can help improve your home security as it can make it harder for thieves to break into your home. Tip 4. Look out for burglar symbols. Our fourth tip is to always look out for burglar symbols on your property. Robbers will often mark properties that they are planning to break into. They will use chalk and paint to make these markings, and they will often use the colours blue and white. They will make these markings by drawing different symbols onto your property. So one step to stay ahead of robbers is to do research into these codes and to keep an eye out if any appear on your property. If you do happen to see any burglar codes on your property, the first thing you should do is take a picture of them and contact the police. After you've contacted the police, remove the markings from your property. Tip 5. Install security lights. Our fifth tip is to install security lights on your property. Security lights are a useful deterrent as they often give the impression that somebody's home. Security lights will often shine throughout your property when any movement is detected. This scares burglars away as it stops them from staying hidden. Tip 6. Don't hide a key outside. Our sixth tip is to avoid hiding a key outside your property. Some people may hide a spare key outside their property for emergencies, but this is often more of a hazard than you think, as burglars will use hidden spare keys to break into your home. So it's important that you avoid placing a key outside your property. However, if you do decide to place a key outside, consider placing it in a secure area such as a key safe. Tip 7. Be careful about what you post on social media. Our seventh tip is to always be careful about what you post on social media. Although it can be fun to post about your Christmas decorations and your Christmas gift, posting on social media can be more of a security risk than you think. Many thieves will use social media to find potential victims and to find out when people aren't at home. So it's important that you take care when you're posting on social media and that you avoid posting too much personal information. Tip 8. Keep your gifts out of sight. Our eighth tip is to always keep your gifts out of sight. Although it can be quite a scenic scene, having your Christmas tree and presents near your window, this can often cause thieves to be attracted to your home. So it's always important that you keep your gifts out of sight and in a secure location. Tip 9. Keep your digital alarm keypads clean. Our ninth tip is to regularly clean your digital alarm keypads. Digital alarms are a huge advantage to home security. However, forgetting to clean your keypads can often be a security risk, as it can make it easier for thieves to guess your passwords and to break into your home. To avoid this issue, you should clean your keypads regularly. Tip 10. If you're away, get someone you trust to watch your property. Our 10th tip is if you're away from home during the holidays, get somebody that you trust to watch your property. You should ask someone you trust, such as a family member, friend or neighbour, and having somebody that you trust watch your property can make you feel a bit more comfortable with going away. And if anything suspicious does happen, they can always contact the police for you. Tip 11. Take care when putting up Christmas lights. Our 11th tip is to take care whilst you're putting up your Christmas lights. Putting up Christmas lights around your property can be a fun activity, but a common mistake many homeowners make is feeding the cable for the lights through a gap within an open window. Burglars can use this open gap to break into your home, so it's important that you take care whilst you're putting up your lights. To avoid this issue, consider placing an outer power source near your lights outside to power them, or consider using battery powered or solar Christmas lights instead. Tip 12. Also secure gardens, sheds and garages. Our 12th tip is to always make sure that other areas on your property are secure, such as your garden, sheds and garages. Many people concentrate on having home security in place for their home, but they often forget about some areas on their properties. Gardens, sheds and garages are some of the most common entry points for burglars to break into your home, so it's extremely important that you make sure that all areas on your property are secure. Some of the best ways to secure these areas are by installing security lights over them, by having security cameras installed near them, and by locking them securely with high quality locks or padlocks. So that's the end of our video. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all the latest security guarding news. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.